Welcome to our farm, where biosecurity is our top priority. As Thambi enters the farm, the first step is disinfecting our legs at the door. This simple yet crucial practice helps prevent the spread of diseases among our flock. In the farm office, Thambi meticulously reviews files detailing our farm operations. It's essential to stay organized and keep track of tasks to ensure everything runs smoothly. Next, Thambi marks important dates on our farm calendar. Planning and scheduling are key to staying on top of tasks and ensuring optimal management of our livestock. Now, she heads to house number 1 to check on our small chicks. It's always best to visit the youngest members of our flock first. Before entering the chicken house, Thambi disinfects her gumboots to maintain strict biosecurity measures. She closely monitors the chicks, checking for signs of healthy and ensuring they are eating well. The crop fill process helps us assess their feeding status. She exits house number 1 to check 24 days old broiler in chicken house number 2. Visiting young flock first is a safe measure to ensure one does not transmit disease to these vulnerable chicks. Here, she joins Ali in the chicken house, and they discuss farm operations. Open communication is key to effective farm management. Weighing the birds is an essential task that helps us track their growth and overall health. Guys, can you imagine? Today is day 24th. And our bird's average weight is 1.2 kgs. Outside the chicken house, she tends to a nursery bed. We believe in utilizing our resources efficiently, including using chicken manure to fertilize our crops. Ali ensures the well-being of our farm animals, including our faithful dog Jack. Jack wasn't feeling well, but at least now he's on medication and is doing better. It's essential to address any healthy concerns promptly. Back in the office, Thambi and Ali discuss farm operations and make strategic decisions for the future. Effective teamwork is the cornerstone of our success. Thank you for joining us on our farm journey. We hope you've enjoyed learning about our daily operations and the importance of biosecurity. Stay tuned for more insights and updates from Thambi and Ali's farm. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn notification bell on. Until next time, happy farming.